So the book, The Answer is a Question, has been really designed to support lots of other initiatives around how to be a better manager. If you think about everyone that's trained in Agile organisations, for example, Scrum Masters, or how to really manage change at a fast pace and have really successful change projects, you learn a lot of the theory and the technology behind that. But actually, when you're in the room with the people you're working with, what skills have you got and have you been given to really get the most out of those in that team? The point of this book is to really help you craft and develop your capability to ask amazing questions so that you can actually run and develop projects at a faster rate, that you can work in agile environments. And as a Scrum Master even, you'd actually have the ability to have even more powerful Scrum meetings every day.